Hey guys, it's the end of the day, and look at my like chaos. Hi Jenny.
Hi.
Hi Nighthawk. But the wall is gone, and we have a 6 o'clock Zoom meeting. This cabinet hasn't been put back in place yet, so it's a little chaotic here. But and I'm here. Here's where we're at with the tongue. I took it back out of the crock pot and simmered it on the stove to simmer a little faster. So now it's done. Oh, and look, there's a little bit of dill. I'm going to plunge it in this ice cold water because I got to pull the skin off. And then I'm going to strain this broth here and I'm going to make gravy. So right now I'm melting the butter. We'll add flour and make a roux and then do gravy. And then I'm just letting this sit here for about 15 minutes to shock the skin off until I think it'll peel. Oh, it's already peeling. Look at that. Let me show you. Hey, Jenny, can you hold this? Yeah. So, it's already cooled off enough to peel, guys. This is kind of like blanching a chicken. So, look at that. So, you want to peel that skin off, right? Ooh, it's going to be good. I know some people are really disgusted by this, but whatever. And there's still a little bit of... I'm actually going to be nice and get rid of the taste bud texture. And then I'm just slicing it. So the grain of the meat goes that way. I'm slicing it the long way. And then we'll put it on a platter with some gravy. Everybody gets some yummy tonguey. You want to taste some?
Sure.
Here. It's pretty good. What's it taste like to you?
I don't know. It's really good, though.
It's really good.
Yeah.
Yep. So, that's how you do tongue. I'll show you the platter when we get it all served up for our 6 o'clock meeting.